Are you tired of fumbling through Zoho Books trying to add items? Learn to add a complete item in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every field you need to fill out, from name to vendor, so you never miss a step. All right, let's start by opening Zoho Books. You'll see the dashboard with all your accounting tools. Go ahead and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Item. Now, type in the item name for your product or service. Next, select the item type from the drop-down. This categorizes your item. Then, enter the unit of measurement, like pieces or hours. Type the selling price for your item. Add a brief description to help identify it later. Now, select the sales account from the list. This is where the revenue will be tracked. Then add the applicable sales tax. You can also add a product image by clicking the Upload button. This is optional, but helpful for visual reference. Now type the cost price, so you know your profit margin. Add a description regarding the product for internal notes. Then, add any purchase tax if applicable. Finally, click on Cost of Goods Sold to assign the expense account. If you have a preferred vendor, go ahead and add them here. Once everything looks good, click on Save to create your item. That's it. You've successfully added an item in Zoho Books. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.